Gonna be back with the videos. Let's do a cold start on the car.
Let's do that cold start.
It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud. Everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
Look at fiance Aubrey is back in the video.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's right. She records all of my car wash videos. And so we'll have another.
Freeze for content.
You freeze for content? We don't freeze for content. We just full send it, okay? I'm just kidding. We do freeze for content. Yep. We just got canes for Valentine's Day. How was it?
It was delicious.
It was the best thing ever. Got some extras in the back seat. But we are currently in the old Dayton area. Pool scene, pool. You feels me?
Feels.
Do you?
I sure do.
No, you don't. Well, we are in the stance car. Soon to be stance car. It's not low just yet. Everybody thinks it's low, but not low yet. We got wheel gap.
To my left, I mean. We'll see an interesting color car.
An interesting colored car. Oh, yeah, the Honda badge on. Oh, he did a price lift on it.
Does it make you miss the Honda life?
No.
The Acura life?
Nope, that car is too much to handle. I could never get the alignment straight on that thing.
Believe me, I helped him like 800 times and it still wasn't right.
I'm good on that. There's Starbucks.
Oh, I got a gift card.
Do you? On you? I'm already in this lane. We can't go that way.
I know.
We are going to Target. Going on, everybody? We're back in the video. We got Brandon, Lindsay in front of us. We got old Tristan in the back. Bright old lights. We're on our way to a little car meet. We're gonna see how it is, if it's good or not. We're gonna find out. Exhaust system on sure. I like driving this little car. It's my favorite car I've ever owned. Gotta love it. So I want you guys' opinion on what I should do. Should I keep it stock body, wide body? If I do a wide body, I'm gonna do the reverse wide body where the rivets are on the inside instead of the outside. I think it looks a little bit more cleaner. That's what the fiance wants as well. I think it'd be a nice decision for sure. So you guys let me know what you want. We'll pick this back up here in just a second. Oh boy, Christian. Been a long time. Been a long time since he's seen this camera. Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. We got my beautiful unicorn here. And we're going to be driving that FRS in some snow. Some snow. Very nice. Very nice. It's about time that we did some stickers.
We made some stickers. I made some stickers.
We.
Okay.
We're finally going to put them on the FRS.
I think it's gonna be too big to go here.
A little bit lower. Lower. About right there, yeah.
Good.
Yep. Beautiful. Next weekend, do you want to do tent with me?
Should we have waited?
No. We're doing vinyl tent, remember? I only have to do one side. We're going to see how it is, if we like it.
What are we doing today?
We're doing everything today. All in one installation.
Oh. Right.
First, we are slamming the car all the way to the ground. So nobody better not be saying wheel gap.
I want to see how you're gonna get out of the apartment complex.
Well, there may not be a front splitter about
What? Do you need your drill?
Huh?
Do you need your drill?
I gotta go take a piece from my dad. I forgot all about getting the adapter piece for it so I can run the socket on the drill.
Oh.
Yeah, whoops. Slow and steady. Got plenty of corners. This front is stiff as heck. What do you think?
Well, it'll be interesting to see how we get out here, but sure.
Hey, there's no wheel gap no more.
It'll look good, but are we done able to leave?
I'm so used to doing this without doing it like that. I'm used to it.
At least you got plenty of room in here.
Yep, I got plenty. Taillights.
I am filming you fixing your car.
Oh, you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. We're making the big sound. Yep.
Yep.
You did.
Day.
This says low pole. Since I have a trampoline, Gotta seal that up. Gotta do something else instead.
Mm-hmm. What are you doing there?
Trying to do something, and it's not working.
Oh, let's see. This will be the old thing, and that is the new one. What are you doing?
Finishing up the headboard installation on the top.
Can we show them the one?
Can I tow that one? Of course. Well, if you step over here, you'll see that we have the Vlands that I just finished up installing. And then I just got done installing the turn signals sequence light for the side marker lights.
Ooh,
I finally got those all situated.
it looks so good.
It's just so good.
So good.
It's so good.
So aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that. It's so good.
It actually matches now.
Mm-hmm. So nice. Look at that. They don't. But it has this sequential, right? Ooh, it's so nice. Oh, it's so good. You happy with them?
Yep. I just wish my side marker sequential lights worked.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Do you have one?
Now I got the right one for it right here. Look how little Tristan and me. I got the new headlights in, and they look fantastic. Fantastical. Imagine that. That's the only thing I ever wanted was these taillights, and I finally got them. Freaking amazing. Oh, it looks so good. I was expecting there to be a lot more people.
You said what? More people?
Apparently there was like 20 cars last night, like you said.
Yeah, there was.
I was hoping there'd be more people tonight, with it being warmer out. You gotta get your channel. Which one is it? Is it the is that one your Instagram or something? Oh, okay. Okay. I'll remember this one. So I can definitely check you out.
No, I watched it yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, sweet. I've never seen this thing. This thing on bags.
I heard it air out.
Ah, dang.
That's
Wish I could afford bags.
yeah.
I can't do it.
I prefer static, but I mean,
Yeah. I just can't do it.
it is kind of fun. Yeah, I heard it like miles down.
Yeah.
We don't be making all the noise.
This car is too quiet. It's not going to make any noise.
I think the neighbors beg to differ.
And Well, that's because I didn't put on the front pipe yet. They'll live. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a long time since I've actually put my own face on the screen. Today we got something special for the FRS. Kind of excited because we get to do something pretty cool. So I got my tablet, my OpenFlash tablet. We are going to be tuning the car today with stage 2. We're gonna see how good it is. Got the old tune off of there. We're gonna go with this, see how it works. I don't know how it's gonna work, but we're gonna find out. So I am going to plug this thing in here. I accidentally opened up the trunk. You guys check out the new taillights. Awesome. All right, now we hop up into the car. If you guys haven't already, drop me a subscribe and like on the video. It'll help me out big time. So now we got the right button. We can go ahead and write on there. We got a couple different tunes on here. We have the stage 2, we have stage 2 pops, and then we have stage 2 plus E85. So we can run E85 anytime. We're just gonna go with the pops and give a try, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then I don't know. So ignition power to on. Press OK. Communicating with ECU. Preparing to write. Do not interrupt it, or else you're gonna be in trouble. I don't know how long this takes, but we will be back as soon as it's done. Alright, we're just about done here. Almost. I think so. We are going to start it.
What happening over there?
Well, the car go pop pop now.
Snap, crackle, and pop.
Now crackle and pop. Now. Now that it's finally warmed up, we can make all the